Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the super function is a powerful tool used for working with inheritance and method resolution. It allows you to call methods from the superclass, parent class, in a subclass, child class. This is particularly useful when you want to extend or override the behavior of a method defined in the superclass. In this tutorial, we will explore what super does in Python and highlight the differences between using super, init__, and explicitly calling the superclasses __init__, method. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, OOP, that allows you to create a new class, subclass or child class, based on an existing class, superclass or parent class. The subclass inherits the attributes and methods of the superclass and can also have its own attributes and methods. Here's a simple example to illustrate inheritance in Python. In this example, the dog class inherits from the animal class. The dog class has its own speak method, which overrides the speak method defined in the animal class. The super function allows you to call a method or access an attribute from the superclass within a subclass. It is often used in the constructor, __init___ method, of a subclass to ensure that the initialization code of the superclass is executed before adding any additional functionality specific to the subclass. When you call super, .__init__, you are invoking the constructor of the superclass. This is commonly used when you want to initialize attributes inherited from the superclass before adding attributes specific to the subclass. In this example, super, .__init__, name, calls the __init__, method of the animal class to initialize the name attribute inherited from the superclass. Then, we add the breed attribute specific to the dog class. You can also explicitly call the constructor of the superclass by using superclass __init__, self. While this achieves the same result as super, ._init__, it's less flexible and can lead to maintenance issues if the class hierarchy changes. Both approaches achieve the same result, but using super is recommended because it is more flexible and easier to maintain, especially when dealing with multiple levels of inheritance. In Python, super is a valuable tool for working with inheritance and method resolution. It allows you to call methods and access attributes from the superclass within a subclass. When initializing attributes in a subclass, using super, ._init__, is the preferred approach as it provides better flexibility and readability compared to explicitly calling the superclass's constructor. Understanding how to use super correctly is crucial when designing and implementing class hierarchies in Python. ChatGPT